going to split. It's fun. Right, first stop, 10 minutes down the road. I'm gonna get some brekkie. Girl's gonna have some raisin toast. Yeah.
Okay, rubber ducky, I'm gonna take the lead on this one. A win's a win.
Ain't that the truth, brother? Ain't that the truth?
Oh my god, there's one on the bench, see?
Just chilling.
Little baby. Baby, look at the little baby.
Maybe soon. I'll leave them setting up. Take these two munchkins for a ride. Oh my gosh, Kenny. Camel. Hi, big boy. Oh my god, that is huge. Oh, Lloyd.
I had a horse, I would stay forever.
You'd stay with her.
Hello.
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 Come here, look.
Do you want to hold it?
Oh no, thank you. Oh my gosh, so cute.
Dad, I jumped on it.
You did.
Some nice scramby eggs. Girls doing colouring. And boys are off playing golf.
What are we going to go do? What are we going to go do? Sheeps. What about the other ones? What were we going to go? Who has the eggs?
Mommy, chickens.
You can go see chickens? Yeah, and then what else? Guinea pigs? Can you say guinea pig?
No,
Oh, okay.
I think she's scared.
Oh, oh no, not the piggies. Are you scared of the piggies? Oh.
Yeah, I'm just
Nice pats.
Yeah, I'm just bouncing it.
Good job. We're in with all the crazy chickens, aren't we, Addie? How are you feeling about it?
Oh my god.
You like them? He's feeding the chickens. Addie, would you like to put some in your hands too?
I'm gonna put some in.
You see if the chickens want it? Still.
Nice and flat. That's it.
Good girl, Addie.
All right. I will let everyone with the guinea pigs.
Have you got your phone? I don't know if I phone.
You don't like it?
Do you want to come in?
Do you want to hold the guinea pig?
Ready?
You'll pat it?
So, I mean, Lucas, Annika. Hold on,
No.
No.
Did you hear back from Duncan?
I don't need
Sammy?
this.
Come nice and close to Scarlett so she can get Scarlett.
Good job, Ad. Are you feeding it? Cheeky guinea pig.
You're not moving the gazebo, are you?
Are you happy with the gazebo placement?
As long as you're happy.
No, you're the boss.
I'm not.
You're the boss. We have gazebos until the cows come home. You want a beer?
That's true.
Is that a big backyard?
Oh, almost lost one at the back here.
Say hi to Kitty Cat.
Oh, what happened to this shit?
Maxie got Bicky. On the coffees. Came to fill the oh my god, water tank. I hope that can't get inside the van. Wow. Where did you find it?
Over there. Someone's campsite.
Oh my goodness, was there any eggs or anything?
No, we looked before we grabbed it.
Oh my god.
Sling us some tips there, brother. No. Oh, so like, so wait, 3. You're not drinking that stuff.
None.
Oh my gosh.
It can't be big and funny. It's gotta have one. He did it in one go. Oh, nah, you won't.
Why do you look so uncomfortable, Kenny?
I'm just getting her a nappy.
Do we call this a giddy special?
This is the proper giddy break a leg. Break a
Oh my god.
There you go.
Why are we doing
We don't
that?
even eat that anyway, do
That should spin around.
Oopsie, I'm moving. Not all heroes wear capes.
Do you want me?
Nah, I'm good. All drinking your waters.
Oh, good there. So just so you know, that's the amount you need. This one.
Oh yeah, I've got
Hey!
systems go. Beeves on the lamb. What are you on, Chez? You're on unwrapping duties?
Unwrapping duties. Oh, that one's a bit bad.
Oh, I'll have that. I like that one. I'll eat that. Yum. Ains, what are you on?
On the veg.
On the greens.
Yeah, on
Jackie
the
always
greens.
says
The
have greens on
bacon.
your plate.
The bacon.
Yum. And Andrew, just carting babies around. And Lloydie, what are you on?
I'm on the gravy, baby.
On the gravy. Oh, that's looking runny.
Yeah, I've only just,
Oh, okay, so it thickens.
hopefully.
Okay.
If not, there's a bit more powder
Oh
in
yeah,
there.
we'll be right. Looking good, Drew. Oh, you're gonna match Hani and Abby.
Yeah, that's something. And also,
He's ready for inflatable world. Woohoo! Pink. Yum. Have a big sleeve.
They got a truck that's been
Who's that?
like the party bus.
Who's that?
Got lights, music and
Wake
everything,
up,
and they
sleepyhead.
sort of shoot the day. That's small, I think.
Yeah, just diced up like.
What is it?
Yeah.
What is it? Chickens.
Gonna come pet the rooster.
What's that?
I don't see it.
It's a rooster and a chicken.
Big one.
There's a big one.
I know.
Ooh.
Pretty good.
Drew and Ames special.
What? Don't know.
Yum.
Very nice.
We've got the hat. We've got the sunnies tucked into the shirt. We've got the Crocs and socks.
Are we starting a fire?
And we've got the questions and the planning.
Yeah.
Because I said,
This is our
I have to come
camper.
back. Like,
Yeah.
I have to come back, eh?
Hey, sorry, boss. Those seats left on there.
Yeah, that's
Is
what I
everything
said
going
last time we
according
did.
to
Mark was
plan?
like, yeah, we took it looking good.
Okay. Get in there, Shazza. Yum. Time for a camp oven cake. Enjoy that. Tuck me apple slices in.
me a cake. Pour that on top.
Whoa, that's cool. Do you think of that?
I saw it on the internet.
Oh, look, it says a name, Cinnamon.
Yeah, that's right.
Is that how you spell your name, like, of the food, Cinnamon?
Yep, that's exactly how you spell my name, girl.
Oh, wow.
Now I'm going to sprinkle some of this on top, some cinnamon sugar.
Show me. Oh,
That's
yeah.
the butter.
Oh, wow, I love it.
So it's just apple slices on the bottom, then the flour, then some melted butter. And I'll just smash it with the cinnamon sugar.
Well, I'm gonna go put this down. Watch.
Oh my gosh. Yum. So that's what it looks like before. And then we're going to have it with some thickened cream. Bit of like an apple pie cake.
over here still?
Stew the fire
Enough
meat.
or more?
Mm,
Like a few more.
yeah, a bit more.
That it?
No, well, we just want this to cook well. Top and bottom for 20 to 30 minutes. That was rude.
Yeah. You haven't met Patty. It's Wendy.
Well, it's said our goodbyes and now we've got a good old flat battery. Not bad. Say bye, splitters.
Bye, Splitter.
Bye, camels. Bye, goats. Oh, yum. Is it good? Oh, yeah. Kenny. Kenny.
I couldn't really like
Show me what you got.
hear it from the
Oh, is it so yummy? Oh, sprinkles and everything. Good choice. Oh.
Nice.
How good?